Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include premium sound system, parking sensors, towing package, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, traction control, keyless entry, stability control, backup camera, tow hitch, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.